Hi everyone, Nico here. Today we're at Bailey Metal Products in their shop where we set up a little module here. We've got our joists installed and we're ready to install some bridging. Step 1, which is the end bridging. What this does is ties in the very first joist into the top of wall. And it's important because for very long joists, we can sometimes see a bit of sweep. And this is our opportunity to fix that. We face the C downwards, we bend this tab down, we bend this one up. We go to put it into place. Typically these are cut to length. Because this is our first joist and our first joist spacing, it is going to be an odd spacing, so we're going to have to cut this piece. We made a cut with the grinder, being very careful not to cut the web of the bridging, which allows us to easily bend it and use it as our first starting piece. When in position, you can look down the joist. Now as you get closer to the center of the joist, you can start adjusting while fastening, ensuring the first joist has no sweep to it. On this cut end, we got our tab bent upwards and in line with the rest of our bridging line. We will now fasten, avoiding the center of the cord, as that will bind our screw. Moving down the first joist, we're going to continue installing our end bridging, being careful to straighten out any sweep or out of plumbness in the joist when we make our bridging wall connection. We've completed step 1, which is our end bridging. It's installed at the required spacing as per the drawings. And we've made sure that using our bridging, we've straightened any sweep or out of plumbness in our joist. It is perfectly straight. That pattern is going to carry down as we continue our bridging that way. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to your Bailey representative. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.